Alright, Dad's scrambling it. I'm gonna solve it.
You want to help?
Doing Rubik's Cube. I think you've like barely scrambled it. You've literally barely done anything. I'm just gonna go as fast as I can on this. I'm not gonna like explain anything. Yeah.
Okay, I think that's pretty good.
Oh my god. Toby.
Okay.
Okay.
So you got about 20 seconds to inspect it.
Okay.
We'll start it at the 1 minute mark.
Alright, give me a countdown.
15 seconds.
Okay, give me like a countdown.
Okay.
No, give me
Oh,
like
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Wait, what? Why can't I turn it? Jeez. Okay.
Reaching 1 minute.
How? What do you mean approaching 1 minute? Jeez. Okay, I guess this isn't terrible.
Whoa, 2:40. Wait, no, 1 minute and 41.
Yay!
Good job, right, Toby?
Yay! Toby says good job.